I would never have thought that this shape would literally stay in my ear. But man, it's actually pretty darn solid. Who knew? ISOTUNE hearing protection. Have you heard of these? Maybe you want a pair, or are you just curious? I'm Sprinkler Dandy, and you're watching Sprinkler TV. All right, let's jump into this unboxing. So I just got back from the Equip show down in Louisville, Kentucky last week. It's like the largest show for landscape contractors, landscape maintenance contractors in the US. And while I was at the show, I saw the ISOTUNES. And ISOTUNES was something that I have seen for a number of years now in trade publications and social media, etc. I've always wanted to try a pair, so I bought a pair at the show. And I want to start by saying that everybody at the booth couldn't have been nicer, and there was a lot of attention at the booth. The line was actually quite long, and they had all of the different ISOTUNES on display so you could check them out. I'll drop a picture right here. And then after I purchased the ISOTUNES, I had an opportunity to spin a wheel to win a prize. And when I first looked at the wheel, I thought, wait a minute. Everybody on this wheel wins a prize. So cool, I spun the wheel and I won this t-shirt. So I get to record this unboxing of the ISOTUNES with the ISOTUNES t-shirt. So what I wanna do is totally take this out of the package. This is how it arrived to me. I bought these on Thursday at the trade show, and then these arrived to me on Monday, the following Monday, which was just 3 days ago. So quick to ship, quick to arrive, easy process, friendly people. And what I want to do here today, we're going to cut this open, we're going to unbox them, I'm going to put them in my ears, and I'm curious of a couple things. Number one, the type that I purchased, which is the free 2.0, they're earbuds. Typically for me, earbuds don't stay in my ear very well, and so I want to see how these fare, okay? I'm not gonna be outside mowing the lawn, trimming hedges, things like that, but I wanna do a shake test, and I just wanna get an idea for how well they're gonna stay in my ear. And then I wanna get an idea for how well I feel like their noise canceling is. And I don't have anything that I can compare with you on this video, but I do have a new pair of the Apple AirPods that I've used before. So I know what those are like. And then honestly, I actually use just these Apple AirPods most frequently because they actually stay in my ears better. So sometimes these tips that are foam tips don't stay in my ears. So that's kind of what I want to see. How well do these stay in my ears, and how good is the sound, and that sort of thing. So let's get right into this. I'm going to go ahead and cut the package open for the first time. And we've got an insert card. I usually just toss these away, but there you have it. Welcome to the ISOTUNES family. And it is a nice little cardboard box. Okay, that's kind of got another wrapper on it. So we're gonna cut this. And, oh, my knife appears to not be that sharp. There we go. There we go. Oh, fancy. It's one of these high dollar packages. Excellent. All right. Hey, thank you for your order. We stand behind our products, which is why we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Love that. Cool. So I guess if I don't like them, I can send them back. Or maybe I should give them away. All right. So we have the case. And let me start by saying the reason I couldn't get these at the show is because I believe this is the newer model and they did not have this version for sale. Well, it was for sale, but they didn't have them at the show. So I had to have it shipped to me. And I was actually kind of disappointed. I wanted to wear them on the airplane on the way home, but now I get to do this unboxing with you guys. It's kind of difficult to get these out of here. Let's see. I'm not gonna be dainty or eloquent about this. I'm just jumping right in here, okay? This is all live, all real time. We've got a couple different size foam here, a couple different types of foam. Just gonna get them all out so I can see them, and then I can make a choice based on my ears. I have relatively small ears. Everybody thinks their ears are the same, but they're not. Some people have big ears. I think I've got kind of small ears. And damn, there we go. Punching it through from the inside. It's actually kind of difficult to get these things out of here. There we go. Okay, so that's it. The other thing I don't know is whether these come with a charge out of the box. So I guess we will find that out, but let's first just get them into the case. There's a metal contact there. There's a metal contact there. And I'll show them to you guys in the close-up cam. Okay, you can see that they are probably flashing red because there's no power. I bet if I read the directions, it would probably tell me to let them charge up. So let's see, there is a quick start guide. Let's go ahead and take a quick look. Red is charging. If it's not flashing red, then it is fully charged. And it says it has a flash count. So let's take a look and see. 1, 2, 3, 3 flashes. So it's at 75%. Cool. So that should work. Right on. Okay, now I need to get my iPhone out, which I have right over here. And we're gonna go into settings, Bluetooth. Okay, let's get these bad boys paired up. And you know what? I will go ahead and take the left one, and that's my right ear. What am I doing? Let me take the right ear and put it in. Now it's in Bluetooth pairing mode, it says. And I will click, you can't see that. Bluetooth connected, just like that. That was easy. Now I'll take the left one, put it in. All right, I'm paired up. How do I look? No music's playing just yet. I will go ahead and launch Spotify here. And you know what? I got some Allman Brothers in here. Let's listen to some Blue Sky. This is from Allman Brothers. Evening with the Allman Brothers, 1992. Great live album. All right, I wanted to interrupt real quick because after I recorded this video, I actually did a sound test with Frankie on my team. So I'm gonna play our sound clip here for you, but also keep in mind that the sound is compared to this kick-ass podcast mic. And I also record with a Rode directional mic overhead, so I just switched to that mic. Typically my YouTube videos, I use this Rode directional mic that's overhead, but with podcasting, I use this mic. So in this clip I'm gonna show you right now, I call Frankie and we compare the ISOTUNE with this podcast mic. So here we go. YouTube channel, I just recorded the ISOTUNES quick video and I wanted to record what the sound sounds like. We're gonna try to do that here. So I am talking to you right now on my nice podcast mic. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch over and talk to you through the ISOTUNES and you can tell me what you think. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. I am switching the mic now over to the ISOTUNES Free 2.0. Hello, Frankie. How do I sound?
You sound like you're far away from the mic.
Dang, but the mic's right here, like 6 inches. Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3. And I'm not sure what this might sound like in the recorded version. So I'm gonna talk a little bit here so that those of you watching, if you also hear what Frankie's hearing, which I hope that you do, you hear what it sounds like as I'm talking through the ISOTUNES Free 2.0. And now I'm going to switch back to my regular podcast mic. Now I'm back on the podcast mic.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Okay, there you have it. All right, so there's a couple buttons I'm reading here in this quick start guide on how to volume up, volume down. One press on the right side is pause music. 2 is skip ahead. 3 is skip behind. You can also answer a phone call, put a phone call on hold, or do a hold for 2 seconds and get the Siri voice assist. So let's see, I press once. It's playing, that worked. If I hit it again, it's off. So that's actually pretty convenient. I like that I can feel the press, so it's not a touch. It actually requires the press of the button, which is kind of nice. I feel like on some of my other AirPods, I can accidentally tap them. Cool. Let's see, sound seems pretty good. I can't hear myself talk very well, but that's probably to be expected because I kind of sound like I'm deaf because I've got the music straight up in. And you know, I'm just gonna kind of, I still have the Allman Brothers playing here. I'm just gonna kind of do some shake tests. I'm actually quite surprised how well they're actually staying in my ear. I would never have thought that this shape would literally stay in my ear, but man, it's actually pretty darn solid. Who knew? Let's see. It definitely doesn't have the full sound that the AirPods have. Doesn't quite have the bass. It's a little bit, the sound is thin. I'm just gonna take a look in here and see if there's anything I can do to improve the sound quality. I don't think so. It's definitely loud. However, not as rich, okay? So again, I don't think you're purchasing these for sound quality alone. You're purchasing these because of its noise canceling abilities when you're out there sitting on your lawnmower, running the weed trimmer, etc. Okay, so let me pause that. I may have been talking really loud. Let's pull them out. Dang. Wow, really do deafen things quite a bit. So I think for that purpose, absolutely. Like I can't hear diddly. I can't hear diddly with these things in. And I think that the size foam ear buds that came stock on here fit my ear really well. I don't think I need to, I actually don't need to put the larger ones in. Well, actually these are the smallest ones. So there's this shape, and then let me show you. They also have, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but it's like little, 2 little buds that are more rubbery. So that's the other style. And I guess based on your preference, you can switch to those. They are very small. Again, here, you know what I'll do? I'll take out one of my just Apple AirPod 2.0s and see if I can hold them up for you so you can get an idea of the size, right? So not much bigger. There's more that sticks out of your ear, of course. I'll put this one in my right ear for you to see, and I'll put the left one in my left ear, like this. You know, I guess it's a kind of goofy, but whatever. Not bad. Not bad at all. So again, this isn't a review for how well they noise cancel while out doing your landscape projects, but here in my office, they seem to cancel out the noise pretty darn well. I really like the fact that you have to click on it to activate, to skip songs or answer the phone. That's easier than accidentally tapping on other types of AirPods. So I would say for, you know, $100 I think I paid for these. Let's see, on their website, they are $119. I think I got 20 bucks off for the show special. It'd be worth giving them a try. And again, if you don't like it, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, so you can ship them back. And I'd actually like to know if you have these or if you've used other ISOTUNES. Comment down below. Would love to know what your experience has been and how these compare to other headphones and AirPods that you've used. I shouldn't say AirPods, earbuds that you've used before. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this, feel free to comment down below. You can reach me and us at Sprinkler Supply Store by phone, chat, email, text message. And until the next unboxing or product overview, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.